Now, phase 2 of the vaccination, which is set to begin tomorrow, comes at a time when some states are witnessing this worrying spike in COVID cases. We spoke exclusively to renowned virologist and vaccine researcher Dr. Gagandeep Kang on the spike in the cases and whether this is a worrying trend.
Professor Kang, I want to ask you, all this while the sense really was, and the government also spoke about it, that it appears that India has managed to flatten the curve when it comes to COVID-19. What does it look like? Maharashtra, for example, has been reporting more than 8,000 cases on a daily basis. What's your understanding of the situation?
So I think we're seeing an uptick not only in Maharashtra but in other states as well. There are questions about how much of an increase we will see and how long that increase will last. I think given the experience that we've had so far with a sharp peak and then a sharp downturn, I am pretty doubtful, given the proportion of people who have already been infected in the country, that we will reach a similar level of cases. In terms of what is driving this, there are possibilities. The most important one is individual behaviors and what people have been doing that brings them in contact with other people who might transmit the infection to them. It's wedding season in some parts of the country. There are festivals in other parts of the country. And it's possible that these kinds of congregations, including things like elections, could drive an increase in the number of cases.
You mentioned elections, and I want to ask you, the Election Commission has just announced polling in 4 states, 1 union territory. Is there a huge concern now? Because there will be campaigning, there will be crowds, and we know how it goes. Are you worried that cases will spike up further during the course of the campaign, political campaign?
It's certainly possible that we will see localized outbreaks that may be driven by behaviors that are inappropriate during the campaign. So for states to be prepared for what they need to undertake to decrease the potential for such transmissions to happen is very important. Emphasizing the importance of masks and emphasizing social distancing, placing limits on crowds, making sure that people don't interact too much with each other is always a challenge in such settings. But unfortunately, it is something that we will need to do.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.